Feeling scattered with your side hustle? Let's dive into a 3-day hustle reset designed to help you refocus, earn faster, and stay locked in with your goals. Day 1 is all about resetting your systems. Start with clarity. Take a moment to list your current income sources. What's actually bringing in money? Cut out the distractions. You don't need to juggle 10 different tasks. Focus on 1 or 2 that truly pay off. A simple Google Sheet or a Notion board can be your best friend here. Track your daily actions and keep it straightforward. Remember, it's not about doing more, it's about doing what matters. Now, on to day 2, rebuilding momentum. This day is all about quick wins. Tackle that 10-minute task you've been avoiding. Whether it's sending an email, making a phone call, or finishing a small project, just get it done. Publish something, maybe a tweet, a listing, or a blog post. Even sending one pitch or DM can create a ripple effect. Momentum resets your mindset, so focus on what truly moves the needle forward. Finally, we arrive at day 3, execution day. This is where the rubber meets the road. Deliver a gig, make a sale, or post your digital product. Even if it's just a $5 sale, that micro win is crucial. It proves that your efforts are paying off and pushes you into the next cycle of productivity. Celebrate those small victories. They're the building blocks of bigger successes. As a bonus, let's talk about the Sunday reset routine. Each Sunday, take a moment to reflect on what made you money and what didn't. Use that data to plan your next 3-day hustle blocks. Tools like Trello, Notion, or even good old sticky notes can help you stay organized. Always keep your actions aligned with your financial goals. Staying productive doesn't mean doing more. It means focusing on what truly matters. Use this 3-day reset whenever you feel stuck and stack those wins weekly. What are you working on? Keep pushing forward, and remember, every small step counts.